I remember putting my application in that same day. It was really exciting and not really realizing how much work it was going to be and where it would take me ultimately. But there was a lot of work, a lot of things that most seniors in high school don't have to do, interviewing, talking to TV people, talking to a lot of adults. But it was really an exciting time and kind of prepared me for what was to come. This became my career of 25 years almost. So I think anything that you are, slightly interested in as far as a program in high school, just do it, go for it. You never know what it's going to turn out to be, and it really can set you up for success.